hot as hell, but I want to show y'all what we got going on. All right. This is the homemade stand. We got the tri-top situation going on, all held together by wooden nails. I didn't want to recreate a whole new stand, so what I did is I used the old stand I made and reinforced it with pallet wood, used a pallet base for the bottom. This is all the play I've got on this side. That's only because this side's not bolted up like that. About to finish bolting it up and we'll come back with video part 2. But yeah, I had just got out the shower not long ago and I feel like I just jumped back in. All right, move these out the way. All right, so the goal for the homemade gun stand was to have it sturdy enough to where you could pick it up from the weakest points and it not break apart. Now that we achieved that, this is part 3 or part 2 right now, where I'm just displaying it, but part 3 will be it with the actual chain hookup on it and the plate. Stay tuned. I wish I could show you me putting this all together, but it looks janky as hell. But the bitch is sturdy. That's pretty much all we can ask for. I don't know what's going on with this side. The other side went like butter. But that's okay. Let's get me a better battery with more spin. Let's see what's up. And we're through. Probably not the best bits in the world, they're DeWalt bits. This video might go on both channels. I had the chain already cut at my job. Like I said, I had the chain already cut. Bought and paid for the chain a while ago. Buddy had some extra bits and shit, so Scooped up these from him. Told him what I was doing. He helped me cut the chain. And voila! I got the hook pieces. I've got my chain. I've got chain couplers. We're ready to rock. All right, I got 2 pieces of chain here. They look about the same size. And that's what you really need. You need them both the same size. 1 coupler, hook up the next coupler. For the placement of the hooks, I've tried to make those as even as possible too. That way, you've got even drag on the chain. There we go. Now you grab your plate, just as easy as this. And there you go, you did it. It's done. There you go, it's done. Finished product. Ready to get taken out. Only took 2 weeks, 3 weeks. Only took 2 weeks or 3 weeks to get completed. Once again, this is Way Too Tactical, EG1 Ezra's Garage. Go ahead, subscribe. This took a lot of effort, a lot of work. We love y'all.